Hi there, this is Kalislam from Tech Fanciers. Welcome back. So, in the second episode, we will be seeing that you have started the development and you are looking for the help, how to ask help. So, this is really important part. So, in the initial stages, you will be getting tons and tons of errors which you have no way of fixing it, or you didn't have know how to fix it. So in that point of time, it is important that we need to ask the help with some other in outside, like in some group or in a community where they can willing to help. So even I faced this problem in my initial stages. Even now I'm facing it because I'm still in learning phase. So um this is the important problem. This is the reason which for me to quit the development for my Android device Lite L1. So the very important place and first place which I recommend you to check is another YouTube channel which is Alexa Linux user AKLU. So this guy really gem in the development of and in the field of Android development. He made tons and tons of videos where he explained all the important categories. You can just visit him, and the important part to get the help is to visiting his Telegram group. So the group called Rome Development. This is the URL which I will put in the description. You can visit here and you can ask for the help. So the problem while developing, while doing the building or compiling, when you receive the error, this error is not in one line or in one word. It will be like 30 lines, 40 lines. So in that point of time, instead of putting screenshot, it is important that you copy those entire code and paste it in del.dog. So this is the site where you can just paste um, all your errors whichever is appearing in the terminal, and you can it will automatically, you can press the save and it will give you the link. You can just copy this link and provide it to in the group, and you can directly ask the help. And some of the devs and some of the community have the some of the rules like no hi and no can you, like that. Those are some of the rituals they will follow. So it is important that you just straight to the point and ask the help, like this is I'm getting and how to fix it, and my device is this and this and all you can give. And some devs ask for the tree, different your device tree, kernel tree, those things they will ask, you can give them. And these trees and those concepts I will explain in upcoming videos. So this is where the place you need to ask for the help. And this group really, they are the kind people. They are just, if they know, they will really help. And the second group which I want to tell you is Express Look. This is not a custom ROM site. This is for GSI. So Luke, William Luke, he is really a good guy in terms of developing, and he made some good contribution in the field of generic system images. So in my initial stages, I just got lot of help from Express Look. So you can do follow this group, and sometimes if they know the answers, if they know the solution, they will definitely provide you. So we have tons of um, telegram groups and forums where you can ask your channels where you can ask your help. And the best thing I can recommend you is Rome Development and Express Look GSI. And it is if you didn't get the help, you can ask after some time, and you can search this in the Google itself. It is important that you can search, like whichever problem uh, you encounter while facing this. It is important that if you first Google it, and if you get the If you get the solution, you can straight away fix it. After that, if you didn't get there, you can search in forum or any other telegram groups. And some other people request, or some other people's advice will be like asking in the xda developers in the forum, which is I never tried it. So if you didn't get any solution, you can just visit to xda for developers, and you can get into the custom room building forums, and you can ask the help there by posting any post or something like that. So these are all some of the working ways where you can ask for the help. It is important that you did it, that you never lose your hope. Now if it is hard when you put the question and you didn't get the answer, you will feel like that it got end, but you can ask after some time. So it is important that you try it with the full caution, and it is important that you should know from the fundamental of the building Android. Even I, to be honest, I really don't exactly know all the elements or all the procedures when it comes to building. I'm just making this series only for those who are just ready to start, but they didn't know where and how we can approach, and the simplest version how they can get into the compiling of custom ROM. So yeah, the best part, you can go with Alexa Linux user, is a really great guy. He made tons of videos on this. Check out his channel and check out his telegram group for help. I will give all the links in the description. This is where the place you can ask for the help.